If you want to find the installed date of Grammarly, whether you're using the Windows desktop app or the browser extension, I'm going to show you the quickest way to check it step by step. This is especially useful if you're trying to track when Grammarly was added to your computer, verify a recent install, or simply check its version and update information. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the Windows desktop app because this is the easiest place to find a clear installation date. On your Windows computer, press the Windows key and the I key together to open settings. You can also open settings from the Start menu if you prefer. Once settings opens, look for apps and click on it. Inside the apps menu, choose Installed Apps. This section shows a list of all the applications currently installed on your PC. Now use the search bar or scroll through the list until you find Grammarly. Once you locate it, you should see the app name along with its details. In many cases, Windows will display the installation date directly below the app name or alongside the app information. That date tells you when Grammarly was installed on your system. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the layout carefully because depending on your version of Windows, the information may appear in slightly different places. Sometimes it shows clearly in the app list, and other times you may need to click the three-dot menu next to Grammarly to reveal more details. Either way, the Installed Apps page is the first place you should check for the desktop version. Now, if you're using Grammarly as a browser extension in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, the process is a little different. Browser extensions usually do not show a clearly labeled installation date the way Windows apps do. Instead, what you can usually find is the extension version, permissions, and sometimes the most recent update information. For Chrome, open a new tab and type chrome://extensions/ into the address bar, then press enter. This takes you to the extensions page. From there, find Grammarly in the list. Click on details if you want to see more information. Depending on the browser and extension version, you may see a version number and other metadata, but not always a direct install date. The version information can still help you confirm whether the extension is current. If you're using Firefox, open the menu, go to Add-ons and Themes, and then select Extensions. Find Grammarly there and check the available details. For Microsoft Edge, open the Extensions page from the browser menu and locate Grammarly the same way. In Safari, you'll need to check Safari settings and extensions from the browser preferences. Across most browsers, you're mainly looking for version information and recent update details rather than a true installation date. So to recap, if you're using the Grammarly Windows app, go to Settings, Open Apps, select Installed Apps, and look for Grammarly to see the installation date. If you're using the browser extension, go to your browser's extensions page and check the version or update information because a visible installation date is often not available. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.